ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Yesterday we looked at just reading some histograms and answering some questions. Today we're going to be creating histograms. So we're going to get right to it. This graph right here is partially done for us. It's looking to fill in the missing bar. So let's see what this is about first of all. Food Magazine published a listing of local restaurant ratings. We're going to use the data that's listed here to fill in our missing bar. So we want to look for ratings of 6 to 10, and that includes 6 and 10 in there. So I'm going to circle those numbers. We have 6 and a 10. So only two numbers. That means we're going to draw a bar in here like this. And you can use, if you're using it on IXL, you're just going to click in there, it'll fill it in. If you were drawing it in front of you on paper, you should make sure that those bars touch and it is colored in. Probably green because it looks like they're alternating colors. I would say if you're drawing it on paper that your bars should be the same color, but it's up to you. It doesn't have to be. You can alternate colors as well. Okay, next question here. Gina's PE class participated in a push-up competition, and Gina wrote down how many push-ups each person could do. So these are the number of push-ups that each person that participated in it got. And we want to fill in our missing bars. So we'll just double check that there are no numbers for 21 to 40. And as I look through the data, there are none. So that should be a gap between 1 to 20 and 41 to 60. Now we're going to look at 61 to 80. And I see only the 180 here. So I'm going to draw a bar in here attached to the 41 to 60, just going up to 1. And now we're going to focus on the 81 to 100. I'm going to circle those numbers. So we have an 84, 82, 100, 95, and another 84. So it looks like 5. So I'm going to draw a bar that's attached to the 61 to 80 and color that in. And I do want to address why those bars should be touching, right? You'll notice in the interval where 60 ends, the next number that picks up is 61. And there are no possible values between 60 and 61. So where that one interval ends, the next one starts right up again. So that's why there's no gap between the bars that are there. Let's take a look at one more example here. We're going to build it completely from scratch here. Scarlett's PE class participated in a push-up competition again, and looks like, let me just double check, our numbers are the same. So we're just going to go through and count it and start it from scratch here. So the numbers 1 through 20, that's our first set of intervals. I'm going to highlight the 1 through 20. So we have 15, 12, 18, 16, and 16. And let's see, we'll pick a different color to highlight in here. Okay, so that one is colored in. All right, so the next interval is 21 to 40. And I don't see any numbers there from 21 to 40. Again, so we'll leave that empty. The next interval, 41 to 60. 41, so there's 44, that's 1, 52, 2, and 3 for 60. So we're going to draw that bar up to 3. So next we want to look at 61 to 80, and it looks like we just had that one number there, 80. So it's going to go one bar high. And then the last section, which we just have, oh, I missed a number here, 47. This is the beauty of it. I'm going to finish the 81 to 100 first, right? 84, 82, 195, and 84. So that should be 5 high. And then I notice my strategy of crossing numbers off. I have one number still listed there, 47. That's going to go in this 41 to 60 category. And so I'm just going to color that one more higher. All right, and there we go. There is our histogram. So please try it out on IXL and let me know if you have any questions, either through email or up on Google Classroom. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye.